Hello guys, welcome to another edition of Nick's Friction Zone. Today I'm gonna show you a very incorrect and dangerous way to lean your motorcycle in order for you to navigate through a curve. Here it is. Okay, so it's a very comic looking video, isn't it? But all jokes aside, guys, just remember when you're trying to navigate through a curve, remember, it's not your body that needs to lean. It's the motorcycle that needs to lean. You can lean all you want. You can counter lean, you can aggressively lean, you can do the MotoGP lean. If you're leaning and the motorcycle is straight, you're not going to be doing much. If the motorcycle is straight, you're also going to go straight. So there's two dangerous things to point out on the video if you're watching. One, the guy is trying, and the keyword is trying. He's trying to lean his body so aggressively that he's almost on the verge of falling off the bike. If you were to hit a rock, if you were to do any sudden movements, there's a good chance you could lose balance and actually fall off the bike. And that kind of defeats the whole purpose, right? Number two, the second aspect to keep in mind is if you're leaning your bike that way, and you can tell that he's leaning so much that the bike is leaning just slightly, just enough for him to actually curve and go through, navigate through the curve, right? But what would happen if something happened in front of him where he actually had to lean, like really lean? What would he do? Because his body is already falling off the bike. So he would have to figure out a way to readjust and lean the bike even more. That makes it almost impossible to happen with the current body position that he's in. Well, very simple video, but again, very effective. So guys, just remember, it's not you that needs to lean, it's the motorcycle that needs to lean when you're going through a curve. Aside from that, look at that plumber's crack. It's not a pretty thing, is it? So please don't lean that way. Don't show your plumber's crack to the rest of the road. That's my advice for today. Until next time, bye.